you've ever been in a meeting or presentation and you went blank, you lost your place, you started reading your notes, you lost your audience, horrible. It's not your fault. The problem is what I'm going to call the content crutch. School taught you wrong. School taught you that it was all about essays and writing and learning stuff by the visual, and it doesn't work anymore. Ditch the script. In the room, in front of an audience, in real life, not at school, when we're scripted, we get mixed up and we have to be perfect because writing doesn't prepare your brain for speaking. It's a false friend. So I want you to work against your schooling and find a new kind of system, a new kind of preparation when it comes to your speaking. First rule, bullet points, not a script. Then the critical litmus test is speak it and see if it works. Do the ideas line up? If not, go back, try again. Images will help you remember it. Draw pictures, record yourself. This is the way to sound confident under pressure. And if you want to know more about this, then my new course, Master Your Meetings, will help you. The feedback's been really exciting, and to give you a bit of a taste of it, I've created a really special virtual masterclass called the 4-Step System to Speaking with Confidence. It's free, I'm excited about it, and if you would like to join me, it's totally virtual, instant access, click on the link and it will be all yours. Enjoy.